A Cartesian plane consists of axes and quadrants, and every point has unique coordinates expressed in brackets with x-axis or the abscissa first and then the y-coordinate or the ordinate. So based on that, we can write the coordinates of any point on the plane. Now let's try to locate or plot a given point on the plane for its coordinates. Consider the coordinates 2, 3. To plot this point on the plane, at first we need to draw the Cartesian plane, preferably on a graph sheet, that is with coordinate axis, and choose unit numbers such that they are 1 centimeter for both the axes. The coordinates of the point 2, 3 tell us that the distance of the point from the y-axis along the positive x-axis is 2 units and the distance of the point from x-axis along the positive y-axis is 3 units. Starting from the origin, we count 2 units on the positive x-axis and mark the corresponding point as A. Now, starting from A, we move in the positive direction of the y-axis and count 3 units and mark the corresponding point as P. You can see that the distance of P from the y-axis is 2 units and from the x-axis is 3 units. Hence, P is the position of the point 2, 3. Note that P lies in the first quadrant since both the coordinates of P are positive. Similarly, you can plot the point Q 3 minus 2 in the coordinate plane. The distance of Q from x-axis is minus 2 units along the negative y-axis, so that its y-coordinate is minus 2. The point Q lies in the fourth quadrant. Let's work out a problem. Locate the points 3, 2, 4, minus 3 and 0, 2 in the Cartesian plane. On a graph sheet, draw the xy plane and mark the coordinates with unit distance between them. Now let's mark 3, 2. So from the origin, move 3 units to the positive x-axis to locate 3. Then move 2 units to the positive y-axis to get 3, 2. Similarly, 4 minus 3, from the origin, move towards the positive x-axis to locate 4 and then move towards the negative y-axis to get 4 minus 3. Now for 0, 2, since the x-coordinate is 0, from the origin itself, just move 2 units towards the positive y-axis to get the point 0, 2. Let's see another problem. Plot the following points xy whose coordinates are given in ordered pairs. So first, on a graph sheet, draw the xy plane. Please note that we need to extend the numbers mentioned in the ordered pairs. For example, since the x-coordinate have values from minus 5 to 3, mention them in the plane. Now it's easy to mark these coordinates on the plane. We can mark minus 2 minus 1, minus 5 3, 0 minus 1.75, 1 2 and 3 minus 2.5 like this. Plotting of points in the Cartesian plane can also be done for graphs in different situations. For example, time distance graph, side perimeter graph, etc. In such situations, we may call the axis t-axis and d-axis, s-axis and p-axis, etc. in place of the x and y-axis. So we can conclude that to plot a given point in the plane, we need to first draw the xy plane, preferably on a graph sheet, and mark with numbers with unit distance between them. Then we need to locate the coordinate points by tracking the x coordinate first and then the y coordinate.